Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting prerequisites installed so the editor and tools communicate. Install the Dart SDK, then open Vscode and add the Dart extension. That pairing gives you Analyzer, Formatter, and Run/debug. Once the SDK is on your path, verify with Dart version so you know the runtime is reachable. Make sure to restart your terminal or machine if path changes don't appear. This initial groundwork prevents most later errors and gets you ready to create a project. Next, you scaffold and configure the project so Vscode can run and debug code. Run Dart create my app or use the extension's new project command, then open that folder in Vscode as a workspace. Once opened, enable format on save and set the analyzer rules and analysis options. YAML so linting matches your style. Now create a Vscode/launch. JSON using the Dart profile to set program and VM flags. This ensures breakpoints and hot reload behave predictably. Finally, you run and test the app and handle issues that appear. Press F5 or run Dart run from the integrated terminal, watch the debug console for stack traces, and use hot reload when available. Run Dart test to exercise units. If lints fail, fix code or adjust analysis options. YAML. If the analyzer misbehaves, restart the Dart extension or run Dart pub cache repair to clear corruption. If problems persist, restart Vscode. This often resolves lingering environment sync problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.